In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust board deletion restrictions in Trello. If you're managing a Trello workspace, keeping control over who can delete boards is essential to maintaining organization and protecting important data. Trello offers customizable options for restricting board deletion, whether you're working with public, visible, or private boards. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of adjusting these settings so you can ensure your workspace remains secure and functions exactly how you need it to. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on Login. Next, choose your preferred sign-in method. You can log in with your email, Google account, Microsoft account, or another supported option. Enter your credentials and click Login to access your Trello dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next step is to make sure you're in the correct workspace. Check the workspace name displayed in the sidebar or at the top of the page to confirm you're in the right place. If you're managing multiple workspaces, double-check that you're working in the one where you want to adjust the settings. Now, open the Workspace menu. You can find this menu at the top of the sidebar or in the header area, depending on your Trello layout. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you locate the section called Board Deletion Restrictions. Once you've found it, click on Change to open the controls for managing board deletion permissions. Here, you'll see options to configure settings based on the visibility of your boards. Let's start with the public boards. You'll need to decide whether you want to allow any workspace member to delete public boards, restrict deletion to workspace admins only, or completely block deletion for everyone. Make your selection based on what works best for your team. Next, move on to the Workspace visible boards. These are boards that can be seen by all members of your workspace. Again, choose between allowing any workspace member to delete, restricting deletion to admins, or blocking deletion altogether. Pick the option that aligns with your workspace policies. Finally, adjust the settings for private boards. Private boards are only visible to specific members. You can choose to allow members to delete their own boards, restrict deletion to admins, or block deletion for everyone. Select the option that suits your needs. Before wrapping up, take a moment to confirm that your selections apply to all boards of the respective visibility type within the workspace. This ensures that the changes are implemented across the board. Pun intended. If you don't see the Board Deletion Restrictions section on your settings page, it's possible you don't have workspace admin permissions or your Trello plan may not include access to advanced controls. In that case, you'll need to check your permissions or consider upgrading your plan if necessary. Lastly, if you belong to multiple workspaces, double-check that you're adjusting the settings for the correct one. It's always a good idea to be certain before making changes. And that's it. Now you know how to adjust board deletion restrictions in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.